Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you how to check IMEI number on all phones. IMEI, or International Mobile Equipment Identity, is a unique identifier for mobile phones. It is a 15-digit number that is used to identify a specific device on a mobile network. The IMEI number is typically printed on the phone's packaging. We can also display it on our cell phone. Here's how to do it. Open Phone, and then type this number. This will display the 15-digit IMEI number 1 and 2 and serial number of your phone. You can check that the IMEI number must be the same as the one printed on your phone packaging. IMEI uniquely identifies a mobile device. No two devices should have the same IMEI number. Mobile carriers and law enforcement agencies can use the IMEI to track a lost or stolen phone. The carrier also able to blacklist the device by its IMEI, making it unusable on their network. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.